Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot and Aircall. This integration streamlines your communication workflow by syncing call data directly with your CRM, making it easier to track customer interactions and manage your sales pipeline all in one place. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot and don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to get started. After signing in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your CRM activities. Now that you're in, look at the top navigation bar where you'll find the Marketplace icon. Click on this icon to open the App Marketplace. An expanded menu will appear with several options, and from here, you'll want to select HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you can browse and connect third-party apps that enhance your HubSpot experience. Once you're in the Marketplace, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Aircall and press Enter. You'll see a list of apps appear in the results. Go ahead and click on the Aircall option from this list. This will take you directly to the Aircall integration page. You'll now be directed to the overview page for the Aircall integration. This page contains important information you'll want to review before proceeding. Take a moment to look through the requirements section, which outlines compatibility details, permissions the app will need, and subscription type requirements. This ensures the integration will work smoothly with your current HubSpot setup. You should also read through the app functionality and features section to understand exactly what capabilities this integration will provide, such as call logging, contact syncing, and activity tracking. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to proceed, click on the Install button. This is typically located prominently on the page. After clicking Install, you'll be redirected to a new browser window or tab. Here's where the connection happens. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Aircall account credentials. Enter your Aircall login information to authorize the connection between the two platforms. This step allows HubSpot and Aircall to securely share data and sync your call activities with your CRM records. After signing in and granting the necessary permissions, the integration will be complete and your HubSpot and Aircall accounts will be connected and ready to work together seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.